Okay, I thought I'd give you a chance to hear the Pioneer under-seat subwoofer in action. So I've got it installed. I've downloaded a song from the YouTube royalty-free library. So this is the one I've chosen to best showcase the bass. I've got it set up currently with the EQ at those settings, those manual settings. So bass is pretty much to the limit already, the factory settings. Okay, now I'm going to play this song and adjust the bass as it's playing. You'll see what I'm doing using the remote control. So I'm going to start with the bass off.